right in here, I have this hydrangea. This is a really nice one. I get some limbs that fall every once in a while, and a limb fell and kind of crushed this one. I think it'll be okay, but something to be mindful of. It just isn't doing very well in this position, so I'm gonna dig it up, get rid of this stupid big stick. So I'm gonna dig this one up. I have my pitchfork here in my wheelbarrow. I've got a nice spot. The deer eat off of this one. I'm gonna have to make probably about 2.5 foot root ball out of this thing. I think I'll use my other shovel. There we go. That's an old water line. It's a defunct water line that doesn't go anywhere. Back when I thought I wanted to put sprinklers in here, but realized that it rains almost every day in Washington. So there you go. There's a nice little root ball. Perfect. Almost lost it and almost put it on the ground, but see all the little weeds. We don't need those. So I'll go find a good spot for it in the backyard where it's protected by the deer, or from the deer. Now we're gonna come over here where the spacing is. right, here's my weed whacker. This is a DeWalt with a flex volt 60 volt battery on it. Sorry, 9AH battery on there. That's amp hours. I love this thing. There's two different speeds with this guy. You got your high and your low. The low works perfect. I love this DeWalt. I got the chainsaw too, which uses the same battery. Love them. I've always loved yellow tools. Those in the industry know what yellow tools are. That's DeWalt. I mean, there's other brands out there that are really good. I like Porter Cable. Depends on what it is, though. I like my Porter Cable skill saw, or circular saw, I should say. Skill saw is a name brand, but I like my Porter Cable circular saw. But all this stuff over here, I'm gonna add it in here. It's just grass clippings and leaves that I picked up with the mower. I just dumped it on there, left it all winter. But I'm gonna put about 4 or so inches on there. See that little tiny spot right there? That one. It will come up through, unless you put plastic over it. But I like to keep this so I can grow stuff in it. This is a bed, not landscaping. This is what the British call a border. All right. Right here, I'm gonna dig a hole for that hydrangea. I may have to get a bar. I got one around here somewhere. This is a great tool to have if you have holes to dig property. It's got a nice big blade on one end and a sharp point on the other. It's just a big long steel bar. Good for digging holes. You break it up, pry bar. Especially if you have rocky soil, like that right there. Like that. If you're digging a hole for like these posts or a tree, plant a tree, and you're digging with a shovel, I wouldn't, unless you're digging in super soft soil, I'd keep a bar with me at all times. I think I have 3 or 4 of them around. Ah, the battery stopped. Well, there you go. I got her done. Looks pretty good. Went over it a few times with the edger, with the DeWalt, just to fine tune a little bit, and I'll do that again before I'm all done. But yeah, looks pretty good. And this hydrangea I think will be a good addition right here to the backyard. This tall one is dead. We don't need it. This one here. This one here. That one. That one. Just a little cleanup. Not much. Yeah. And I got 2 more. Look at that guy. Came off the side. This one, it's got just a little bit of growth coming out here. We're gonna give it a try. Looks kind of dead, but we're gonna give it a try. Don't know where yet. I'll pot them into some 6-inch pots or one gallon, maybe 2-gallon pots. See if I can get anything to grow. All right. You guys have a great day.